Parents are leaving their children in your care. They are trusting you with their most precious cargo, their children, their babies. I am asking all healthcare providers, all child minders, everybody who take care of baby, please take care of the people, them children. Change the baby them pampers on time. Feed the baby them on time. Make sure the babies are comfortable. Make sure they are more than okay. Feed the baby them food and stop give other the baby them food. Stop give the other baby them pampers. Stop give the baby them things. And stop wait until when I go home time, when the mother they near, you gotta change the pampers when the baby chafe up and all of these things. I am asking those of you who have decided to step into the realm of taking care of people's children. If you do not like it, leave it. Listen, guys, certain jobs is a calling, is a God something. You get me, David? And there's something you can just run in. You see, if you take care of baby and take care of old people, the elderly, people who are vulnerable, who depend on you, is a God something. And remember me telling you, anytime you do people, children harm, the God go stop on like salt on Damascus Road. Remember, you know. And some of you who out there do the wickedness to people, children, you know, you have children too. Be ye careful. Be ye careful of what you are doing to people's children, to people's babies. If you don't like the work, some job is not about the money. And I know in nursery world and babysitter world and nanny world, the money nice. And so some people want to run in to go take care of old somebody or you know do living work with the elderly because money depends on them want go, but your heart is not in it. Your heart is not in it, and because your heart not in it, you treat the people them bad. Woe be unto uno. Be ye careful of how you're treating people's children and how you're treating people, the elderly. If you know you don't like sick people, you don't like old people, you don't like take care of people, go and find some other work to do. Maybe taking care of children is not for you. Maybe taking care of the elderly is not for you. Leave it alone. When you have a dozen and 101 problem, I want to come on the people them nice clean job, I see the people them baby and take out on the stress troubles upon the people them children. Be careful. If you go to your job and it is stressing you and you don't like the children and the balling a bother you and the poopy a bother you and oh God it a bother you, leave the people them children and leave the work. Leave the work alone. Because some of you through a baby them and them can't talk and them can't defend themselves and them can't advocate for themselves when you take advantage of a situation. How would you leave a child? Thank you, CC. Thank you, my love. How can you leave a child in a wet pampers, in a poopy pampers for hours? You don't like somebody make you stay in a year poopy underwear for 5 hours, for 2 hours? How that for feel? I am asking Uno, feed the people them baby on time. If you know you only have capacity for 6 children, don't take 12. If you know you only have staff complement for only 10 children, don't take 20. Money is not all. Because yes, when baby tears depend you, and yes, when a mother cry and her tears depend, is not a nice thing. It is not a nice thing. A lot of Uno make greed and lead you astray. If you are into nursery business, child caring, please treat the pit them right. Care for the babies as you would your own. And then again, I can't even say that because someone never care for no own, and therein lies the problem. Therein lies the problem, you know. Therein lies the problem. Because many times Some of them not even like on own a pitney. When you treat them pitney like wild deer, an old dog. Right? So when it comes to other people's children, you have no qualms about treating them poorly. But I'm asking you, look into yourself this September here. If you know in your heart of heart, you don't like to put them. You can't bother with them. Leave the work alone. If you're stressed out, don't go. You pick up all somebody baby and throw them down, or you know, angle them. You have to love children. You have to love people for do certain work. And if you don't like children, it's okay, you know. It's fine. Nobody not fight you. It's fine. But just don't, that means then you can't be around them. It's simple. Maybe if you look at work on like a work site. Like one of them big, construction sites, you know. If you don't like taking care of the elderly, it's fine. Nothing wrong. Just go look at office work then. Simple. It's fine. Because not everybody's going to like children, and it's fine. It's fine. But if you realize that you don't like them, don't ill-treat them. Don't abuse them. And then when the mother come now, or the parents come, the father come, you have all kind of alabaloo and all of forgive parents about why this and why that and why this and why that. Really? Don't do it. Because you wouldn't want nobody do it to your children. No, sir. See, but I lie. Teresa, spray me down. Why? That's sir. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Yeah, man. So I'm asking all of the nursery people, what we call Creature Jamaica, babysitter, whoever you are, please to treat the people, them children, with love and respect. A baby them can't help themselves. They need us to advocate for them. And parents, check your children. When you get them from the nursery, when they come home, I know you're tired. Check them. Check in with them. And sometimes you have to set up like a trap to hear where I go on and see where I go on. If you catch it, you catch it. You have to know where I go on. I'm not run a joke with Pitney, you know. Even before me have my child, you know. I take people, children so serious. Me no run joke with people, kids. When me I go to people Pitney, me carry all extra people come on extra eye for watch them. If me I carry them go a movie, me make sure all two other adults, so me sit on at one end and the two adult them, so we lock in. We lock in. Anyway, when I go with them, me eye depend them, tear out, coming a one and up to the body child with me. So I'm very vigilant when it comes to children. Because they're innocent and they're vulnerable, they're impressionable, and oh my God, they're so gullible. Them now look for you for hurt them. Look at AA. Oh God. We're not hurt all AA now. But the world know all my things said so. Yeah. You know? Yeah. Murder she wrote. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Remember me told you. Oh? Boy. Yeah. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So, guys, we could just do the right thing by the children. We have to try with the youth them. We have to try with the youth them. Right? And so I'm asking you, please, just to help out. If there are any friends here, please check on that mom. If anybody here has a friend who just gave birth, or you know, maybe she have been a long time, doesn't really matter. If you can go over, if you can help, if you can assist, if you can lend yourself in any way, you know, you can go over and say, girl, let me cook for you today. Yeah, man, me watch the baby today for you and you can go sleep. Me watch the baby for you, you can go do your hair, you can go do your little nails, you can just go rest. And I'm asking the gentlemen too, the men, have some compassion on women. Have compassion on your baby mother. Have compassion on your girlfriend. Have compassion on your wife. Because having a child is no easy feat. And there are so many women who are going through postpartum depression or postpartum anxiety or just stress hormonal imbalance, and they don't even know how to articulate it. So if you take up your phone and a video them, when you see them in a one crisis that is so unconscionable and ungodly and heartless, remember, she never impregnated herself. She's not an amoeba. You were an active participant in the process. Just like our woman can make baby feeling, you can make some too. Just like all the baby pampers want change, you tell the woman say the pampers want change, you can go change it too, you know. You can go change it too. Actually, you figure change it. Because you know, say we build eye, we build nose, ears, mouth, we build spinal column, we build medulla oblongata. Yeah, you can go do, we build pancreas and liver. How about you? How about you? You can go do it too. No pint out, nothing sure. Because you could go do it too. Oh, the baby bottles want to wash? Okay, go wash them. Yeah. You can wash them. The baby clothes want to wash? Thank you so much. I'm glad you have eyes to see. Go wash them. There are a lot of women who are going through a lot. And I keep telling you, young girls, close your legs and hold up your head. A child will never make him love you more. If baby never did hold him in 1960 and 70, it won't now. If you want a child, make sure you're having it for the right reasons and for yourself. Make sure that you have things in place. And if you buck your toe one time, no buck it again. No walk there. Take sleep and mark death. He who have ears, let them hear. Me know somehow when good news attack, people with sense attack, on a pop tick should be down no ears. Because you're so male-centered and it's all about the man and oh, them all girls they for go and oh, them you wait long for a baby. Yes, me wait long because they want have it a certain way. Because I never want a problem. I'm not suffering. Focus on yourself. Get a skill. Go to school. Wrap up your 2 shilling. Because as me tell you now, enough of them man out there, them don't really like we. Them don't really like we. You see the ends of the earth where enough of them will go for them friend, them man friend them. Them not do it for the woman. Them not do it for them woman. So nobody thinks that because you're cute and you're young and you're tight, it's gonna make sense, it's gonna stay. Some of them are not really baby them want. Them just want to hold you down. That them think. Tie up your foot. Make your car move. And make no other man no want you. So them think. Use wisdom. When people attack truths and rights, you listen. You know, turn it and twist it and listen to some shark head and some selfish head people and some dirty low life people, some husband that never was. And listen to them and make them, because guess what happened? I make them influence, you know, because guess what? Misery love company. And sometimes them grudge you for your freedom. Them grudge you for your autonomy. Them grudge you to have your up and down and you can move and freedom of movement. And through misery love company, them want, girl, go ahead, don't listen to them. I want them. Them, girl, let them all. I want them. And one thing I know, once you're alive, the whole of it got all. But it's not your age. It's what you accomplish with your age. That is it. Because once you're alive, you know, you get all. But when you have your achievements and your accomplishment, that is it. Someone who got get pregnant have no business. And granted, everybody's uterus is their own and you're free to do whatever you want to do. But my thing is, when you're up the creek without paddle and then you don't want to blame other people and this is the problem turn out now. And they say it start, you know. They say it start. They say it start. They say it start. So be careful. I live up time now. Get what you need to get. Look into yourself. Focus not so much on the man. I don't want to blame government. I don't blame Andrew Holness. I don't blame Mark Golden. Everybody else is to blame except you and the decision that you make. Someone will love quick and talk about, oh, you're judge, you're too judgmental. No, I don't judge you. The Bible tell you, by their fruits you shall know them. Are your fruits may I use and judge you? Are your fruits may I call out? If you're beer Guinea, I can't say you're beer grape. If you're beer orange, I can't say you're beer banana. Look and listen. And if you see something happen to somebody over there, so you can learn. You don't have to make the same mistake. You can learn. You have to learn to hear. All these pick the name Rockstone. Sometimes we can't hear too. Hear. Take sleep, mark death. Hear. Kill it dead through you, cute and brown and oh my God. Nobody can do this. You have the grippity state, whatever. I don't even know what it name. The hookity stain, whatever. You could have tight like a wedge, my love. Remember me told you, when the man in a wire, they don't care. And how when you're pretty like money, tight like a wedge, then we still. Go take all a girl will come like 8 bus without a doctor, them care. But at the end of the day, daddy's maybe, but mommy's baby. Be careful. Take sleep, mark death. Know what you're doing. Children cost a lot. And as for us women, them not only cost a lot financially, physically, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually, every alley what you can think about. So please, do the children a favor and make sure that you're in a position where you can stand up on your own 2 feet mentally as best as you can. Granted, you're never going to know until you know sometimes, right? But when you find out, accept what it is and do the right thing. Our children deserve the best version of us. So search yourself, know yourself. And as I will always tell you, it's not about having a child or, you know, having a man. If you want to have, you have. If you don't want to have, it's fine. If you feel like you don't want a child, it's fine. If you want to have them, no problem. But make sure that you can love them and take care of them. So that when they're grown as adults, you don't have to force on them. I find that you have some parents, you know, when you put them born and stuff like that, they treat them so badly and things it's so rough sometimes. You're not even get to love them, you don't even love yourself, really. And when they're adult, they might try to forge a relationship. And sometimes it's so difficult, it's so uncomfortable. Because the child, because I never really tell you, you never hug me and tell me say you love me yet when me little. It kind of feel like awkwardish now as a big person. Like, yeah, it feel a little way like, you know? Yeah. Feel like a way like, you know? So I could just try and love them from them born. Love them even before them born. But most importantly, love yourself. You know what I mean? Because if you don't love you, nobody else will. You have to love you for you. No matter what it is. No matter if you're 300 pounds, 500 pounds, 90 pounds, 100 pounds. You are you. With every bump, with every cellulite, with every scrape, with every scar. You are you. See Cassie there? Cassie have no bump. Cassie have no stretch. Me never seen a stretch mark on them girl there. And look what Cassie got through. Eh? Look how Cassie exotic. Look, I'm glad I'm not exotic. So Puff Daddy would even look all like me. Look what Cassie got through. Me don't have by all for them beauty standards, me love. Me not act like Cassie. And if we not act like Cassie according to them and their standard, and look what Cassie got show. Eh? The things that Cassie have to swallow now and cha-cha, I know Cassie throat horse. Cassie cancel every part that she cancel. You can imagine? The way your man rate and the way him eat you. You have to call escort, for book escort, for sleep with Jesus. No son of David, give me more life. Murder. Whoa. Jesus. Whoa. Murder. Cassie said we are mouth sore off. Our tongues are sore off. Our little tunic sore out. Till the urinary tract infection I kill her. When she call Puffy and tell him say it sore, Puffy said go down still. One of the time the affidavits, or not the affidavit, the testimony was so gruesome, I had to stop. I just had to stop. I mean, I said, look, oh, Cassie belly flat. Remember, I said, Cassie belly and her back at one. Cassie, oh, brr. Cassie, brr. Them girl enough to wear brassiere. And look where Puffy bring, Jesus Christ, mate. I mean, I got even say Puffy because she was there. You could have did leave, miss.